Kaming dalawang mag-asawa ang may work. So, medyo kaya kong bibili ng gatas ng infant formula. Kaya lang, we really decided na go for exclusive breastfeeding because I believe that I'm giving and I am providing the best nutrient for the child. So, hindi yun pwedeng i-compare sa iba pang mga supplements na marireceive ng bata. I know from the start, during my pregnancy, na magbe-breastfeed ako. So, pinag-usapan naming mag-asawa, naka-decide talaga kami na magbe-breastfeed kami sa magiging anak namin. Yung naka-influence talaga sa akin is yung isang kaibigan na also an advocate on breastfeeding. So, ang ginagawa niya, yung mga notes niya, sinesend niya sa akin. Parang nai-inlove ako the more ng breastfeeding as I read the books, as I read the testimonies of the mothers. Siguro nakatulong din yung preparation beforehand, yung the kind of food that I take, pag-stimulate ng breast, yung preparation before talaga sa actual breastfeeding, yun yung ginagawa ko. Sa tulong din ng husband ko. Yung isang na-observe ko is less yung trips to the hospital, tapos less din yung off mo sa work because nagkasakit yung children mo. So, sa akin, hindi ko masyadong na-experience yun. Probably because of the strong immunity na na-develop ng bata through breastfeeding. Yung time na you have to go back to work and you have to leave your child at home. So, yun yung medyo mahirap sa isang mommy. Ang ginagawa ko, I bring with me yung cooler. Lalagyan ko ng ice, yung mga ice packs para ma-preserve yung milk. So, during that time, there are more talaga and frequent yung pumping na ginagawa ko. Piniprepare ko na kung malayo yung pupuntahan ko at mahiwalay ako ng ilang days, piniprepare ko na malayo pa, nagpa-pump na ako. Kailangan talaga ng determination kasi totoo mahirap siya. It's not easy. It's difficult, but it is not impossible. Para sa ibang mga mom na medyo hindi pa naka-decide or sa tingin nyo hindi kayang mag-breastfeed, I want to tell you and I want to encourage you to continue and to persist talaga. Kasi the rewards for you and your child is priceless.